Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Cameron and welcome. And there are a couple of you newbies here, so welcome. And I'm giving you a big old gay hug. I'm just kidding. Alright, so today's video, if you didn't see by the little title, is Miss April BoxyCharm. I know today is literally like the last day of April, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna open this box and do a quick little look-ski, and yeah. All right, so here is my box. She's all opened, and I have my little cheat sheet here. You know what I'm saying? Little cheat sheet, got all the little details and everything. I'm gonna set this here. This month is BoxyCharm Sweet Tooth. Y'all, I have a sweet tooth. I love me some goddamn candy. I love all that stuff. So, you have candy? Bring it here. Okay, let me figure this out. Okay, so first things first is going to be this Kinder Beauty Kinder Glow Highlight Palette. And let me see where this is. So this is the Kinder Glow Highlighting Palette. Let me set this box down and let me open her up. This is cute little packaging. And this says this palette includes 3 universally fluttering highlighters and 1 marble highlighter. So that's what the packaging looks like. Cute. And this is what the shades are. So that's pretty. I don't know when they say like it's a marble, like that's the marble one. All right, so that's all of them swatched there. I'm just wiping off my hands with some paper towels. And, oh, where'd it go? Here it is. And this retails for 15 doll hairs. Okay, so next thing is going to be, oh man, I already got highlighter all on my titty. Is going to be this Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. And this is Pharmacy Honey Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. And this is $48. Oh, that's cute. It's like jello. I wonder if it smells like honey. A little bit. It smells kind of like honey. It's cute. Cute little yellow bottle. Okay, so next is going to be this tinted moisturizer formulated with hyaluronic acid cream. And this is from Studio Makeup. That's kind of cool. So this is from Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer. Does it have a shade? Okay, the shade is Honey Light. All right, so that's this, and it just says a tinted moisturizer with a light to medium coverage formulated with hyaluronic acid to combine hydrating skin care benefits with lightweight coverage and a glowy look. And this is $35. And then the next thing is going to be this. This is called Eloise Beauty. And this is a Get Gleaming Body Glow. And this one is called Champagne Rich. Let me have my little handy dandy scissors. Use code BoxyCharm for 20. Oh, that's cool. Ooh, that's kind of cool. So let's see. Oh yeah. Let's see. That's kind of cool. Let's see. I'm gonna put on my elbow. Do I look gleamy? I mean, a little bit. I look kind of oily. But that's cute. And that is $38. And then the last thing is going to be these Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. And these are Monarch Lash Pack. So it comes with, I'm guessing, top lash, bottom. Oh, it gives you bottom lashes. Or, okay, so no, it's just 2 different lashes. So there is them both, the top lash and the bottom lash. This one has more of a little flare to it, and then this one's more of a full lash. And then it comes with some little lash scissors or lash dinks. Okay. And this cost $38. And that is it. That's everything in this box, y'all. So what we got in this box is some lashes, a highlighter, a body highlighter, and a tinted moisturizer, and a ultra hydrating face oil. And I'm gonna calculate how much all this stuff is real quick, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I am back, and it looks like all of the stuff in this month's box combined together is $174. So that's pretty good. I mean, I'll use the lashes. I'll try this out. I don't know if I'll use this as I throw it. I don't know if I'll use this. Maybe when I go to the beach, you know, I want to be a little bit glowy. And then this, we'll see. I don't know. But I will definitely try on the highlighter. I'll try this, you know, see how she works. Put on some lashes. And yeah, I think that it. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and then yeah, let me put on some primer. Maybe I should just put this on my face. Yeah, let's just fuck it. Let's put this on. Okay, so we're just gonna put some of this on just so we can say we tried it out. Watch me break out like freaking crazy, breakout central. Oh yeah, this is oil. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like honey. Okay. The oils sit for just a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and go in with Miss Studio makeup, see if this is my shade. I'm kind of tan right now, so we'll see. Okay. It doesn't want to come out. You gotta twist the lid. Finally, after frickin' 70 pumps. Okay. So we're gonna see if this is my shade. It smells good. It smells like sunscreen, like kind of like coconut. So it smells pretty good. I mean, it matches pretty good to my shade right now. So I ain't mad at it. And it is kind of like a light coverage, light to medium, like it does say. So that is good. It smells really good. It smells like coconuts. Even though I don't like the taste of coconuts, I love the smell of coconuts. I mean, it looks like it like matches my skin pretty well. I am a little bit tan right now because I have been hitting up the beach here in sunny San Diego. But overall, I kind of like this. It looks pretty good on my skin. It sort of like evened it out. I was like, had a little bit of like redness there. I look really oily though right now. So I don't know if that's from the, well, it's not probably from the foundation. It's gonna be from the oil I literally just put oil all on my face. All right, so far I like this. Now I'm just gonna fan it a little bit. I am gonna take some concealer. I'll take this. This is the Born This Way, and the tiny one. That just sort of brightened up my eye just a little bit there, just so that I don't look like I'm going to sleep. All right, so I cut for a second because I just powdered real quick and then I just put some bronzer on. So now we're gonna put some highlighter on from this Little Miss highlighter. And I'm just going to take this brush. This is the R36. And I think I want to go into this shade, which I don't know if this shade is called Kindly, but I'm gonna go into this one right here, just in this little corner. Tap off a little bit and then just do one of these. And just do it like that. And I'm gonna do the other side. Oh yeah. And then we can just take this brush and then just diffuse it a little bit. Just like that. We'll take just a little bit right here on the nose. A little bit there. A little bit there. A little bit up here. Just like that. I'm gonna be back. I'll do like a quick little eyeshadow maybe, and then I'm gonna put these lashes on for you. Be right back. All right, guys, so here is these lashes on. Y'all, these lashes suck. I'm gonna just say it like that. The Flirtatious Looks Monarch Lash Pack. Yeah, no, not it. I put on this one, the one that's like a little bit more fluttery and I mean, look at, they look wonky as hell. And maybe I'm just not very good at putting lashes on, or these lashes suck. That's the two things. Yeah, so here I did do a little eyeshadow look. Go ahead and watch the next video that I'm gonna be posting, and that'll be how I did this look. So overall, this box I feel like was kind of like a little bit of a flop because my skin is hella oily with all of that oil on. So yeah. Yeah, I don't think I really, well, the highlighter looks okay. I mean, maybe this, where is it? This foundation is okay. It's just maybe with the oil all on it and you just never know. But yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do whatever. Tell me how stupid these eyelashes look. Tell me if you got them. I don't know. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.